Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add categories in Quicken. Categories are essential for organizing your finances, helping you track spending, and preparing for tax time. They provide a clear picture of where your money goes, making budgeting much simpler. We'll cover the easy method to set up new categories, ensuring your financial data is always well-structured and insightful. Let's get started on streamlining your financial management. To begin, open Quicken and navigate to the Categories and Tags section, usually found under the Tools menu. Once there, you'll see an option to add a new category. Click the New button to bring up the Creation window. Here, you'll enter a clear, descriptive name for your category, like groceries or utilities. Then, choose whether it's an income or expense category to ensure proper classification. This initial step is crucial for accurate financial tracking. Next, you can further customize your category. Decide if this category should be included in tax reports. For example, medical expenses might be tax-related. You can also create subcategories to break down spending even further, such as car maintenance under auto expenses. This level of detail helps you gain deeper insights into specific areas of your budget. Remember to save your changes to apply the new settings. Once your categories are set up, you can easily assign them to your transactions. As you enter or download transactions, simply select the relevant category from the drop-down menu. Regularly review your categories to ensure they still meet your financial tracking needs. You can always edit or deactivate categories if your spending habits or financial goals change. This ongoing management keeps your Quicken data accurate and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.